So this is day 3 of active and passive series. On day 2 we have done present tense, all the forms of present tense, how to change them into passive voice. So today we are going to do past tense, all the forms of past tense, how will you change past tense into passive voice. So let's start with simple past tense. So the rule of simple past tense is subject plus second form of verb plus object. So here let's take an example. We enjoyed the game. We enjoyed the game. So now, first of all, we will write here the rule of passive voice, that how you will change this tense, simple past tense or past indefinite tense into passive voice. Let's write the rule. So here you will write subject plus was were. So what I told you, do you remember that? What I told you in the second video? That is, you will always use third form of verb. Yes. So was were plus third form of verb plus object. It's very simple. So in simple present tense, we use here is MR plus third form of verb. In simple past, we use was were plus third form of verb. So here, how will you change this? So first of all, just recognize where is subject. So we is subject and enjoyed is verb and the game is object. So now which rule we will apply? I hope you learn it very properly. So the X rule, yeah. So the cross rule, or you can say. So the object will come on the place of subject. So you will say the game. Now apply the rule. The game is singular or plural? It is singular. So we will use here was. The game was. Enjoyed. Enjoyed is the third form of enjoy. So you will write enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. So it will remain enjoyed. Sorry, spellings are wrong. So you will write here enjoyed. The game was enjoyed by. Now you just tell me here. Here the subject pronoun is we. What you will write here on the place of object pronoun. So we becomes yes. We becomes yes. Us. By us. So the sentence in passive voice is the game was enjoyed by us. The game was enjoyed by us. So this is the passive voice of simple past tense, a sentence that is in simple past tense. It's very easy, right? This was a positive sentence that you've changed into simple past tense into passive voice. But if there is a negative sentence in simple past tense, जैसे कि you did not help me. अगर ऐसे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आ जाए सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में, then how will you change that into passive voice? So first of all, same cross method you will use. This is subject and this is object. So you will write here me is an object pronoun. So when you will use it in this at the subject position, what you will write? Yes, me becomes I. Very good. I. So as I told you in simple present tense, कि does or do कभी भी नहीं use होता in passive voice. And likewise, did is also not used in passive voice. So do, did or does कभी भी नहीं use होते. जब do और does की जगह हम use करते हैं जब भी do या फिर does हो. According to subject, we have to use is MR. और जब भी did हो तो हम use करेंगे was were. So you have to replace it with the was were according to the subject. Now I here is a subject, so you will use here I was not. Again you will use here the third form of verb of help, that is helped. Helped by. Now you is a subject pronoun, and what is the object pronoun of you? That is the you only. Very good. So I was not helped by you. This is the negative sentence of simple past tense. In this way, you will change into passive voice. So we have done simple past tense now. Now we are moving towards past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, what is the rule of past continuous tense? What that we have to write first of all. So that is subject plus was were, yes, plus. So continuous, whenever continuous is there, then ing will always be there. एंड ing हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ ही यूज होता है. So V1 plus ing plus object. So this is the rule of continuous past continuous tense. And what was the rule of present continuous that we did yesterday? That is subject plus is mr plus V1 plus ing plus object. So present और past में सिर्फ यही फर्क है continuous में. इसकी जगह is mr आ जाएगा और इसमें was were है. So now let's take an example. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. So as you remember कि हमने present continuous में क्या किया था, जब भी हमने continuous में verb के साथ ing लगी हुई थी तो हमने being use किया था. Yes, the same rule we will apply here also. Whenever you have to change it into passive voice, you will use being. So the rule of passive here is, firstly let us write the rule of passive of continuous, that is subject plus was verb plus being. So we are using being here to remove ing from the verb so that we can change it into third form of verb. So अभी हमने ing हटा दिया उसके साथ, तो हम उसको easily third form of verb में change कर सकते हैं. So now apply this formula here on this sentence. So firstly you have to use the same method, that one, the cross method. The object is a letter. So a letter is singular, so you will use a was. A letter was. Now you have to remove ing. So being. A letter was being. Write की third form. Written. Was being written by. He is at the subject position, and at the object position it becomes him. So this is the passive voice of past continuous tense. A letter was being written by him. So now we will do past perfect tense. How will you change past perfect tense into passive voice? Firstly, the rule of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. So here, firstly, let's take an example. I had already finished my homework. So this is a sentence into past perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we have used, instead of had, has have. Only one difference is there. Had की जगह अपने has have use करना है. So the rest of the rule is same. So how will you change into passive voice? So firstly, let's write the rule of passive. Passive voice का rule क्या है? Past perfect tense को change करने के लिए subject plus had plus. Now I yesterday also told you कि third form of verb को पहले आपको ये वाली third form of verb को कहीं पे adjust करना पड़ेगा. तो हम be की third form of verb लिखेंगे being. तो इसको हमने change कर, इस वाली third form को use कर लिया as a being, and अब हम जो passive voice में third form of verb use करते हो वो use करोगे यहाँ पे. That is, again you will write here third form of verb plus object. So how will you write this sentence into passive voice? Again the cross method we are using. My homework now had, with the singular and plural you will use had only. Being, had been, sorry, had already is also written here in the sentence. So already is there, you have to adjust already here, okay? So you will write here had already been. Now finished already is written in the third form of verb. So you will write here same as it is, finished by. Now I at the object position becomes me. So my homework had already been finished by me. So this is the perfect past perfect tense passive voice. So I hope this is clear to you how to change all the forms of present tense and all the forms of past tense into passive voice. If you have any query, you can drop a message in the comment section. I will surely reply you. And if you find my video informative, please do click like button. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. So see you soon. Thank you for watching my video.